Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super cute rainbow flower with a smiling face.
Yay!
Ready to have fun? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start with a big circle in the middle. This will be the face of our flower. Now let's draw 6 petals all around the circle. The petals can be heart-shaped or just round and fluffy, whatever you like. Time to draw the stem. Draw a line going down from the bottom. Great! Now add 2 big leaves, one on each side of the stem. Let's make our flower super happy. Draw 2 big cute eyes inside the circle and add a little smiley mouth. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over all the lines again to make the outline bold and sharp, so the artwork really pops off the page. Whoa! Look at that amazing flower!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Get your rainbow color pens ready. Yellow color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Brown color. Well done, little artists! Your flower looks so beautiful and full of joy. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and share your drawing with your friends. See you next time, and remember, every line is a step to something amazing. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.